In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add users to teams and create a management hierarchy in Hubspot. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Hubspot account and that you have permission to manage users and teams. These settings are usually limited to admins, so if you cannot access what I am about to show you, you may need an administrator to update your access. Begin by looking at the top right corner of your Hubspot screen. You will see the settings icon. Click that settings icon to open the main settings area. This is where Hubspot keeps account-level tools, including user management, security, and team structure. Once you are in Settings, find and open Users and Teams. This section controls who has access to your portal and how people are organized. Organizing users into teams is useful for reporting, assigning records, and keeping responsibilities clear across sales, service, and marketing. Inside Users and Teams, switch to the Teams tab. This tab is specifically for building and managing teams rather than inviting individual users. If you already have teams set up, you will see them listed here. If not, you will be starting fresh, and that is completely fine. Next, click Create Team. This will open the team creation panel where you define the structure. First, enter a team name. Choose a name that is easy to recognize in reports and user lists, such as a region, department, or function. Clear naming makes it easier to maintain your hierarchy later, especially as you add more teams. After that, select a main team manager. This is the person who will lead the team in Hubspot, and this selection is a key part of building a management hierarchy. Make sure you choose the correct manager, because Hubspot uses this relationship in visibility settings and some reporting views. Then select your team members. Add the users who belong to this team. Take a moment to confirm you are adding the right people, because team membership can affect assignment rules and what users can see depending on your account setup. Finally, click Save. Hubspot will create the team and apply your selections. That covers everything you need to know.